Alright, today I've got this Chinese replica of a vintage combination lock. So we're going to try and decode this today. I have done this before. The last video I filmed, my child was super noisy in the background, so I had to scrap it. But I do not know the combination, and honestly, my Chinese characters recognition is not good enough to remember the code anyway. So I'm going to decode it. I'm going to do that by applying some tension. And we're going to start at the back end. Now that one's... there we go. It feels set. There we go. That feels set. Loose, and a little light wiggle, light wiggle, light wiggle. That one might not actually be right. Let's hoop. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, all wiggling. Must just be this last one. And there we go. Decoded. So the combination is that. If you can read Chinese better than me, I don't even know if I've got that off the right way. I think that's the right way. You can read that. That's the code. Or that. Or that. Or that. One of them is the code. Not entirely sure where the... oh, this must be the code. There we go. There's the indicating bar. Alright. So you can just see down there you've got that one gate on this wheel. Let's spin that, you can see a move. So you're just trying to line up the 5 of those, and when they line up, they'll slide past these things. Put it back in. Code has to be incorrect, and then you just scramble the wheels. And then it's locked again. So they're a pretty cool little thing. Obviously, there are ones like this that are much, much older. This one's, you know, a modern replica. It's cost about $2.50. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I haven't really done a lot of decoding, so this was nice to play with. Nice, easy one to start. So there we go. That's that. Another cheap find from AliExpress.